There are about 40 YouTube MCP servers. They all simply pull in transcripts and just summarize them. This one though, it's different. So here's a scenario. I want to buy the new M5 Max MacBook Pro, but I don't have time to watch all the review videos. So I asked Claude, search YouTube for the top 3 reviews, give me the consensus, tell me what the reviewers agree on and where they disagree. 1 prompt, 3 reviewers synchronize. Benchmark comparisons, upgrade recommendations, all sourced in seconds. And if I want to go deeper, I can ask a follow-up question, and everything is pulled from a local cache. No requerying of YouTube needed. But that's just the research side. Vidlens also does audience intelligence. Give me the full breakdown on this video. Key moments, structure, engagement, comment sentiment. It tells you what people are excited about and what they're skeptical of, with actual codes from the comments. That's a layer that most YouTube tools don't even touch. Vidlens-mcp treats YouTube as a persistent intelligence layer where knowledge compounds locally. And here's what really sets it apart: visual frame search. I had Vidlens index the video frames from Tyler Stillman's review from our previous search. Then I asked it to show me the benchmark data. It found the exact frames containing the charts with the timestamps. Clicking any one of them jumps straight into the moment in that video. Most tools can read what was said in a video. Vidlens can see what was shown. Vidlens-mcp, free, open source. Use npx vidlens-mcp to install. Link in the description. Thank you.